Okay, hello. This is my video presentation, and my presentation is about making a programming to solve an engineering problem. Okay, for the introduction, C language is a basic programming language that used by all researchers and students that help them to solve problems and also help them to make to develop firmware or software. It also known that C language is ranked among the most universally used language. It also was used to develop. Okay. For the background study, we must know the requirement of the project, which was to relate the problem for the programming writing. The programming must need to solve the engineering problem, which involve mechanic of machine. As we know, mechanic machine is the study of science of designing, constructing, and operating machines. Okay, continue on. Okay, but for the problem statement, there are two. First is, does the student able to solve the engineering problem by using C language? And second, how to produce the program, which is requirement at least 4 for loops and 2 equations based on the problem research. Okay, continue on. The objective for this project is to design a computer program that capable of solving an engineering problem, which in my case I need to design a program that could calculate the length of bed drive system. Secondly, to promote students to express their own creativity and capability in solving problem by using C language. And last, to provide a better solution for any given problem. Okay, I will just head over here. Okay. For the methodology, in this part, I will explain how my way of method to make this project to make this project happen. The most important step I took for the methodology is I've done a research and revision on the C language and also the mechanic of machine. This helps me in solving problems that are occurring along the way for the project. Okay. Continue on. Okay, there are two functions for my programming. For the first function, there is an open bed drive system. For open bed drive system, there are two pulleys. These pulleys, both of the pulleys will rotate in the same direction. Because of this displacement over here, displacement of the bed force both of the pulleys to rotate for the same direction. The formula for open bed drive system is length is equal to pi times by radius 1 plus radius 2 plus 2x, which is the distance between centers, and minus by radius 1 minus radius 2 square divided by x, the distance between the center pulleys. There are three important variables we need to focus on, which is the radius 1, radius 2, and the distance x, the distance between center of two pulleys. Radius 1 is the radius for the driven pulley, driver pulley. Radius 2 for the driven pulley. Okay, continue. Okay, for cross bed drive system, and there's a little bit different. As you can see, the arrangement or the placement of the bed drive is different. This displacement displacement of cross bed drive system force both of the pulleys to rotate opposed to each other. That means if the first pulley rotate clockwise, and so the second pulley will rotate anti-clockwise. Okay, the equation is still the same, but there is only difference at the negative the negative integers. As you can see, all for the formula for the cross drive system, all the formula is all positive. Okay, the variable is still the same. Radius 1, radius 2, and x. Okay, continue on. Okay, the flow chart. I will explain this from the start. Okay, so you can see, to this program to work, the user must first insert the type of the bed drive they want to calculate the length. So if they want to calculate for open bed drive system, they have to insert the value 1. If they want to calculate the length for cross bed drive system, they have to insert value 2. If the user put any number besides from number 1 and number 2, the program will repeat the question, ask the user what is the type they wanted, and they will ask the user to insert the proper number. Okay, for example, if the user wanted to calculate the length for cross bed drive system, they will insert value 2. Okay, after insert value 2, the program will ask to insert the value for radius 1, radius 2, and x, the distance between two pulleys. Okay, there are limitations there are margins. There are values the user cannot put in the program, which is the value that equals to 0 and less than 0. If the user insert the value 0 or less than 0, the program will repeat and ask the user to insert the proper value. Okay, after putting the three variables, which is the radius 1, radius 2, and the distance between two pulleys, the program will calculate the length using the correct formula, which is for cross bed drive formula, all of the formula is positive. Okay, after calculating, the program will display, as you can see, the program will display the results and ask the user whether the user want to try to calculate again, or the user wanted to end the calculation. Okay, for this, for the user to calculate again, the user needed to insert the value 1, and to end the calculation, the user needed to insert value 2. If the user put any number besides number 1 and number 2, the program will repeat asking the same question, and ask the user to put the correct value. Okay, that's all. Continue on. Okay, for the results. For the result, we've done a comparison between the calculation using the programming and the calculation using manual calculation. As you can see, we get 25.5079 for the length for open bed drive system using the programming, while using the manual we get the same result, which is 35.5079. Okay, this already proven that calculating using C program can be accurate as calculating using manual. Okay, continue on. For the conclusion, we can conclude that it is possible to solve an engineering problem using C program, and it is also proven that using based on our result obtained, using C program can be accurate as using calculating by manual. Okay, for recommendation, students should be practicing more on using C language and on their upcoming research and project. On the other hand, the lecture can also be a crucial part in promoting the student to use C language more frequently. Okay, that's all. Thank you.